Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, July 17, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had a fairly good day today. Those of you who are my customers know I emailed everybody last night and told you we're going to start a new portfolio. I'm actually going to start trading it on Wednesday. So we're kind of transitioning out of the old portfolio today and tomorrow. And as a result, we only got 3 trades today. One was positive and 2 were negative, but the positive one was huge. So as a result, we closed out negative $500 on what we closed out, but we're carrying over $5,000 in our open trade going into tomorrow. So that's real good. The Dow closed down 8 points. Keep in mind that's 8 points below its all-time high. And I'm going to call the Dow up tomorrow and will predict that it will make a new all-time record high tomorrow on Tuesday. Now, as far as what I have to show you, this is kind of a good news, bad news joke. This trade is in Aurinia Pharmaceuticals, and the good news is it just exploded today. We had bought this on Friday, and it really took off, and we are holding $7.3 thousand, $7,300 positive in open trade equity in AUPH. Now that's the good news. The bad news is it's on my drop list, and I would have dropped it today if we had gotten out of it, but I'm not going to drop it in the middle of the trade, so we hold it to tomorrow. We'll get out of it tomorrow, and then we stop trading it. This is kind of unnerving for me because I dropped 30 of our old stocks and added 29 new ones, and I can kind of see on TradeStation 9.5, which I am not showing you here, and I don't post, that the new stocks didn't do real good today, but this old one that I'm throwing out did spectacular. So the thought occurred to me, and this is kind of just trader's black humor, but maybe what I ought to do is go through these studies and take the worst performers and make those my new stocks, with the idea that they're going to come back and do real well while we're actually trading them. I don't know, it's crazy. I said in my letter to my customers, I sometimes have felt in the last 6 months that I was always a dollar late, or a day late and a dollar short with these trades. And this thing with AUPH is kind of reinforcing that view, because as I say, if it had gotten out today, it would have been out of our portfolio. It's only because it took off. But this is the last trade with AUPH, and then we're going to be relying on those new stocks to do wonders for us. Anyway, it's a crazy game. Trading can drive you nuts, but let's hope for the best. So tomorrow's going to be a quiet day because we're still transitioning. On Wednesday, though, we'll be trading all 29 of those new stocks, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. Anyway, that's the way it went. The Trader Bob sign off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.